Have you ever wondered how food affects your body and brain? Well, it's not just about filling our bellies or satisfying our taste buds. The foods we choose to consume play a significant role in our overall health, influencing everything from our energy levels to our cognitive functions. Primarily, our bodies need energy. This energy predominantly comes from carbohydrates found in foods like whole grain breads, cereals, potatoes, and rice. Carbohydrates fuel our muscles and brains, allowing us to partake in our favorite activities throughout the day. Without them, we'd run out of steam pretty quickly. Then there's protein, found in foods like meat, poultry, eggs, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Protein plays a crucial role in building and repairing muscles, organs, and tissues. It's also responsible for making enzymes that control major metabolic processes. These processes include digestion, breathing, and fighting off infections. Without protein, our bodies would struggle to repair muscles after exercise or build the DNA we pass on to our children. Let's not forget about fat. Yes, you heard that right. Our bodies need some stored fat for insulation and to protect our vital organs. Fat tissue also stores fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Fatty acids found in fat protect every body cell and help regulate processes like blood clotting and immune function. Mono and polyunsaturated fats in particular can lower your risk for heart disease when they replace saturated fats in your diet. Vitamins and minerals, though needed in small amounts, play a vital role in a range of metabolic processes. These nutrients keep us healthy, supporting everything from breathing and producing red blood cells to repairing the body, burning energy, and fighting infection. When these processes are functioning well, we generally feel better in ourselves. Some nutrients even have the power to change your appearance. For instance, carotenoids found in brightly colored fruits and vegetables can give your skin a healthy glow. Consuming the recommended amounts of colorful vegetables and fruits can enhance your skin color to a point that others notice and think you look more attractive. Finally, our brains also have specific dietary needs. Omega-3 fatty acids found in walnuts, canola, and oily fish like salmon may help with preserving or enhancing brain function. In summary, the foods we eat have a profound impact on our bodies and brains. From providing energy to building and repairing tissues, to supporting vital processes and enhancing our appearance, every bite we take has a purpose. So next time you're about to eat, remember, you're not just feeding your stomach, you're also nourishing your body and brain. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe.